Here at the 72nd Street train station. So actually every so often we'll get a stream of people coming out. They're curious and obviously a little bit hot, but right here where we are is covered. I mean, this is we're in the shade of one of the buildings, so that is helpful. Still, as we take a look on top of the mobile weather lab here at the instruments, the recordings that we're getting that are reading out on the back still pretty hot. Take a look. The temperature at 94 degrees, at least at this moment, and the heat index, it says 99 degrees. Let's take a look at the graphics and see what our official high temperature was today. 92 in Central Park. We hit that just before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So a full 8 degrees above what we consider normal of 84, but only 5 degrees shy of the record for this day, which is 97. We set that back in 1955. Highs around the area, well, you can see pretty much every location on this map at 90 degrees or hotter. Again, 84 is the norm, but look at all those 90-degree temperatures. 93 for Bridgeport and Bridgewater, 92 for Trenton, obviously for Central Park, 91 for Newburgh and Sussex, 90 in the Hamptons, and 96 degrees today in Toms River. So we continue to show you this, the ways to beat the heat. Sometimes folks forget, but we want to remind you that you really do want to avoid excessive exercise outdoors during days like this. There really is no safe time. Remember, we have not only the heat advisory, but also an air quality alert in effect. So you really want to do that run indoors. You want to drink plenty of fluids, and only the non-caffeinated, non-alcoholic kind count. You want to wear the lightweight, light-colored clothing, apply sunscreen, and stay in a cool building as much as possible. You really do want to try and spend as much time indoors in the air conditioning. Now, here's what we can expect going forward. It stays hot and humid this evening, hot and humid tomorrow as well. Those heat indices will be close to 100 degrees, and then we're back to that unsettled pattern as we hit the middle of the work week with those pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Right now, your vortex satellite and radar not showing a whole lot. You can see it there, pretty quiet. So for tonight, expect the muggy conditions to continue. We will see some moonlight out there. Sky conditions not bad tonight. Tomorrow, hazy, hot, and humid, and in addition to the steamy conditions, we add the rumble of thunder potentially to the mix. So possibility for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. On Wednesday, we're still dealing with that same condition. The heat alerts will take a look. You see them there in effect until 8 p.m. on Tuesday. Tomorrow, that high, as I mentioned, 90 degrees. If you're cooling off at the beach, just be mindful, of course, of the UV and the moderate risk for rip currents. And there's a look at your 7-day forecast. While we are expecting a heat wave and expecting it to end by Wednesday, you'll notice the temperatures and the humidity don't actually really get much better until we head to the weekend. That's when we'll finally start to feel a little relief. So, well, just wear your hat, do all the tricks, and try and stay cool.